Hello, welcome to Soft Talks. Today we're talking about branding and how to post to lots of profiles at once. It's going to be helpful because you'll be able to basically post the same thing to lots of profiles. You might not be able to see that at all, but if you've seen how to set up multiple social media platform profiles for success, I basically did a full drawing out of my thoughts. This is the next video as part of that series. So if I show you how we're going to do this. Okay, so let's get the old specs on. Sorry if it's distracting, you probably get a reflection of the lights and stuff, but yeah, if this then that, if this then that. I'm missing a T, aren't I? But yes, basically if this happens, do this. It's a site, IFTTT. I already have a profile. I've been using it quite a lot. The idea of it is you link your social media accounts to it. I have Facebook linked. Make that a bit smaller. Can be distracting. Okay, so I have my Facebook page linked. I have my Flickr page linked. My Instagram page linked. My Pinterest, my Twitter, my YouTube, and that's the main ones I use. So how it works, you basically set up a service that reposts your content to another social media platform, which in turn allows you to make one post, like we talked about in my last video. Being my main is going to be YouTube, where I post an image, I post an article, which is in the form of the description of the video, which is then used to be published on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, WordPress, Facebook, and you could set it up for certain times. So you could be busy working on something else, but you can have content going out, which is a great benefit. It's basically timing and scheduling things at the best peak time for your audience. And if I do an example, because what I promised in the last video was for me to show you how to set it up. So it'll be good to see me do it live. So right now, if I look at Facebook pages, that's a service. Facebook pages allow an organization business. Well, that's an overview of the page. So what I normally do is automatically share your new videos to a Facebook page and Twitter. So that is in red, which means it's a YouTube thing. The YouTube post I have will be shared to my Facebook page and my Twitter profile as a link. So let's actually look at that. I've done quite a few of these. If I go to my Twitter page, go to my profile, you'll see what it looks like. So I'm looking for, okay, there, possibly that one there. Okay, so on June 11th, it sent a tweet out with the title of the video and a link to the video. So this will actually link me to the YouTube page. That's what automatically happened off the back of my if this then that setup. So that was look at the Twitter. Let's have a look at the Facebook part of it. So if I've got another one up, social, Facebook, and I think it posts to my Facebook page, as in my page. My page, is that in focus? Am I in focus? Because my glasses are reflecting, it doesn't look quite good. Okay, let me go to my pages, go to that, so I can show you that. Let's have a look. Okay, is that one? No, let's try and find the same one. Okay, there. So if I bring it back here, so on my Facebook page, it will post, well, there's various ones there, but I'm looking for the same one, which was 11th of June, I think. All of these are basically if this then that. If you missed my last video, you can catch up here. Is the standard title I put on them, and it links to the YouTube video. So it's basically doing a service here where this setup is doing something. It's putting some content out on other channels, However, it's not what I want it to do. I want it better. So if you look at my plan that we talked through before, probably can't see none of that, but check my last video. I want the YouTube description and the image from the profile. So can we even do that? Let's check. So try something new. There's additional ones here. Share your YouTube videos to Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook page. No. Automatically share new posts to a Facebook page. No. Let's go to the YouTube ones. If I go home and look for YouTube specific ones. So that's my setup there for YouTube, but I want, okay, let's see which one of these. Get a notification when there's a new video from a channel you subscribe to. No, thank you. Automatically share your new videos to a Facebook page. No, not quite. Post new YouTube video uploads to Tumblr. Nope. Share your new videos to Blogger. Automatically create the videos. Add new video from one. Let's see if I can search for it. Search. So I want share the thumbnail image. Let's see what comes up for that, if that is even a thing. Awesome. YouTube share with thumbnail image, Facebook or Twitter. Interesting. When you post an image to a public Pinterest board, automatically share it on Twitter. No, I think that first one might be what we need. Let's have a read of that, because the developers normally put notes. Okay, applets. So let's see if I can read. Is there a way I can get more details on this? Let's try it. So it's saying with your thumbnail image. Okay, so now that's set up. Let's go settings. Okay, share your new YouTube video on Facebook and Twitter with the thumbnail image. $340 people have used it. Okay, the applets turned on. Could it be this? No. Check now. So you know what? Might have to. Let's try YouTube. Okay, I think that is what we wanted to do. I'm gonna let that run because I've got a video coming out tomorrow automatically. I'm gonna see what it shows up like on Facebook and Twitter. So if I do the second thing I wanted, which is post description as article, let's see what that does. And okay, publish your new videos as WordPress posts. That's one on our list because we want, yes, let's have a look at that. Grow your audience by cross-posting your videos automatically. This app will grab the embedded code and post it on WordPress. The title of the blog will be the title of the video. But will it give me the description as an article? This is going to be the case of testing. You could set up an additional account and check these. Receive an email. What else did we have? We wanted Twitter. Post description as tweet. Let's see what that does. Share videos to your, publish your new video, tweet your Instagrams as native photos on Twitter. Actually, that might be an idea because we're planning to. Let me just have a look at my. If you haven't seen this video, have a look at that video. What I decided to do was put everything from YouTube to the other sites. However, it might be better if we can't find the app or the applet to do that specifically, we could have YouTube, just treat YouTube as YouTube, videos and description article. But then how about we post that image on Instagram? Yes. If I post on Instagram with the description copied and pasted from the YouTube video, so I'm doing two things, but there's more apps here for Instagram. So technically from Instagram, we could post those images as native photos in Twitter, which ticks that box because it's a upload there as opposed to a link to Instagram, and the articles there, of which some of the article. So when you write the article, you want to make sure the first 240 characters, or well, actually it's gone up, hasn't it, for Twitter? The first paragraph basically is designed to be standalone, and the second paragraph is additional information, as it were. Okay, that we've had a rethink there. So what I'll do is I'll go back and update this little thing that I made in the past video, which you could see me making brainstorming. It's a good way to get your stuff down on paper, because then stuff like this I can easily go back and readjust it, but then I know where I am, because I'll need to remember, post my YouTube video, keep that image and the description, at the same time post it on Instagram, which would lead to Instagram posting it on Twitter as a native photo. I could link it to LinkedIn, I could link it to Facebook, I could link it to WordPress. So it's a different way of doing it, but it will give us that nice result. So that is your applets, and that's a quick review of that process. I'm hoping that you find that useful, and I'll link you to the next video in this series, but this was about how to post lots of profiles at once. See you on the next video. Playlist, you're going to love it. Live, mate.